Alright, let's get started on this grilled cheese hot dog. I saw this on YouTube and I had to try it. So, I got me some Nathan's bun length hot dogs and I'm just going to give them a nice score on each side. That's nice, it just kind of helps caramelize the hot dogs when they cook. I'm going to use my flat top. You can use your frying pan, this works just as well. A little bit of olive oil on there. I've got the heat set to about 350. And we're just going to set those dogs on top. And we'll let them go for about 4 or 5 minutes. And then we'll give them a little roll and move them around a bit. And make sure that they start to get nice and cooked and caramelized on all sides. And while I'm doing this, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. I'd love to hear where you're from. Make sure you hit that bell to stay up to date on new recipes. I put a new video up every Wednesday and every Sunday. So I hope you come back for more of those. This is kind of a unique, fun recipe. If you got kids, I'm sure they're going to love these because it's such a tasty treat. But that's what we're looking for right there. Look at those, are perfect. So we'll just spin those. And I bought some Aunt Hattie's potato buns. They weren't the best. I wouldn't use those again. Maybe look for a better bun. These just had a bad cut down the, usually buns are cut down the middle. These were kind of cut more to one side, so it was a little more hectic to work with, but we got her done. So basically I've got some shredded cheese, cheddar, and jack, I believe is what it was. And we're just going to put some cheese in the bottom of the bun, then place a dog on each one. Then we're going to come back with a whole bunch more cheese on top. Like you see right there, kind of press it in so it stays tight. And we're going to go back to our flat top. This time we're going to put a little melted butter right on top there. Just like so. Then we're going to place these dogs cheese side down. Just like this. You got to kind of flip it fast or all your cheese will come out. So do the best you can. And we'll just come back, we'll show you again. Flip it. Just like that. And what that's going to start is that cheese is going to start to caramelize and it'll pretty much make a seal and lock everything in, so when you go to flip it on the back side, you don't have to worry about anything falling out, which is kind of nice. What I did do is, once I have all the dogs on the flat top, is I got my little burger press and I just gently pressed them down a little bit more, just like that. And we're going to wait about 4 or 5 minutes till that cheese gets nice and caramelized. And then we're just going to flip them onto the back side, just like that. Look at that. And we're going to do it on this side only maybe a minute. You don't want to go too long. But those look phenomenal. There you have it. So we'll take them off after about a minute and serve them up. And I'm telling you, it's a nice little treat, a grilled cheese hot dog. It's fun to make. If you got, like I said, if you got kids, they're going to love them. They're just fantastic. So anyways, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next video.